just gonna pull this up until it's a little bit tight. Just keep your teeth together and breathe through your nose. Oh yeah, there you go.
That's sick.
Oh yeah. I know you felt that all the way down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep breathing.
That was good. That was awesome.
It was like a bendy straw, huh? Like,
Yeah.
there you
It sucks your breath out.
go. It does a little bit, huh? You're still kicking that. Look at that.